Hi guys, welcome to today's presentation on education simulation games and learning. So what is simulation games is all about? Let's look at the introduction. It is a new hype in e-learning. It's a learning tool embedded in higher education and corporate world. Reflection and challenges needed as huge investment is involved. Basic simulation games and learning is effective learning environment unless evaluation strategies are developed against value, a replacement to a common face-to-face instructional time. Integration of games into curriculum is much more successful than mere game use, and it's an informal education environment. So the objective is involvement of learners creating strategies and to promote desired learning outcome. Instructional simulation games is needed, then simulation game, instructional simulation and instructional game. Let's look at some examples of education simulation games and learning. Number 1, card games to promote memorization. Number 2, Jeopardy style for quick mobilization. Number 3, arcade style, which is normally used as puzzle to improve speed and visual processing. And number 4, adventure game, for example shooter, sports, strategy and role playing for problem solving and hypothesis. Let's look at some challenges. Is gaming the only method of revolutionary to facilitate the learning process? Most educational games have failed as when there are bad lecturers causing bad games. Creating educational gaming environments with current technologies and methods would require huge investments, skilled manpower, and time beyond most educational institution budgets. Learners become addictive, antisocial, violent, and sexual. Let's look at some educational values. Try a new self. Imagine taking on a role of a character to explore situation. Problem solving. Most games require players to solve structured or unstructured problems. Indirectly, it improves their creativity skills by exploring proactively different techniques and approaches to achieve the goal. Challenges or conflict. Must deal to achieve the goal. It is also indirectly a venue to deal with stressful and uncertain situations. Additive and student-centric learning. Games have difficulty levels for the learners to choose, which is usually based on a succession of more challenging tasks to complete. Critical and system thinking skills, where the learners think critically and systematically and out of the box to deal with the challenges and scenarios of the game. Let's look at this video, a successful simulation games in learning. And finally, the greatest problem with most education system is that we are still teaching as if it were the first half of 20th century. All this new technology has barely entered the school system and students are left behind. Schools' failure do not come from bad teachers or bad kids. It comes from lack of vision and innovation. Let's wonder, what is our next stop? Is it three-dimensional animated graphics, role play simulator, or how to integrate educational gaming into Malaysian syllabus? Think about it. Thank you.